Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this electric elliptical machine. I already had this for over 3 months now, and this is a great exercise equipment to have if you're working from home or if you want to increase your cardiovascular levels. So let me show you how it looks. So this is where your feet goes. It has a nice handle so you can move it around. This is how the front looks. And the other side. It has a bright display. The touch buttons are very responsive, and you could change the different mode that you want to set it to, the different functions, the direction. It also comes with this remote control, so you could do the same things on the remote control. So if you have this under your desk, and instead of having to bend down to change the buttons, you just use this remote control, and you can see that it's very responsive. You can start, stop, change it from auto to manual, increase or decrease your speeds. It has 3 different programs, and you can change the direction and even the function of this. That's your IR reader in the back. You need 2 AAA batteries, which are not included, and it even has a long electrical cord that you could plug into your outlet. The way you set it up, you can put your feet there. So if you want to do manual mode, you just do like this. And then you just set your speeds with how fast you want to go. So this goes up to 12. So I'll show you how fast it can go. So this is pretty fast. This is pretty much like a nice jog. If you want to lower the speed, you lower it. If you want it to go backwards, this will work out your handsprings. When you go forward, this will work out your quads. So then you press the function button, it just lets you see the different functions: time, distance traveled, speed, the counter, and the calories burned. If you want to set it on auto, you press the first one. So now this is one of the programs that it has. So it's a slower speed. Once you set it on auto, that you cannot change the speed or the direction of it, because it's already programmed. Then it has another program, program 2. This. And then you have your program 3. So this is great for anybody that works from home or that wants to build up their cardiovascular levels while you're sitting down in the comfort of your home. Then if you want to stop it, you stop it, and you could turn it off from here. Pro tip, this unit comes with the lubrication gel. So you could put your lubrication right on the wheels. So that way it's smooth, it glides nice and easily on the pad. So you can hear how it's very quiet and it barely makes any noise. So you don't have to worry about waking up anybody while you're doing this, if you want to do this early in the morning or late at night or even during a meeting or phone calls. So it's very quiet. If you're interested in buying this, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can purchase this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great electric elliptical machine. I like how portable it is. I like that it comes with this handle that you can move it around with, so it's easy to move around. I also like how wide and how long the foot things are, so it fits big feet. I wear a size 10, so I still have a lot of space here. You can put it, you use it with shoes, without shoes. I like how it comes with the remote control, so you're able to adjust everything from here. And if you don't have the remote control, you can also change the settings using this touchpad right here also. So this is great quality, and it has a trusty area to put control on the bottom, and the power cord is long enough so you could plug it in and then still have enough space to move it around depending on where you want to leave.